Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off the ice maker in your Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. This may also apply to other refrigerators that are set up in a similar fashion. All you have to do is open up the freezer side door, and here you have your ice reservoir, your ice cube reservoir. And to open it, you just press down on this handle and tip it out. You can easily access the ice cubes if you want to get them in bulk. Now, what we need to do is lift out this drawer to get access to the on-off switch for the ice maker. So you might want to take out some of the cubes if it's really full so they don't come out. We're going to just grab hold of both sides and gently slip this straight up, and it should come right out. And you can set this aside or just hold it carefully. And inside of here, you'll notice that the hole where it goes down into your cup is here. Make sure this isn't blocked by anything. And I've had cubes frozen down in here that I needed to clear out so that we could get the dispenser working again. The on-off switch for the ice maker is in here on the left, and you notice it is up, so it is currently on. In mine, I can turn it off from there. Now the ice dispenser is off. It won't make any more ice, but I want to leave it on. Now, that's all we have to do to put the drawer back in place. You'll see these notches here on the side, and these are going to fit in these grooves that are here on the edges inside of this opening. So what we want to do is you want to slip it in at an angle just into those grooves. You'll know it's in place because it'll be able to sit at an angle like that. Tip it back in, it should click back into place, and that's it on how to turn on or off your ice maker. Be sure to check out my other videos where I go over the controls on this Whirlpool side-by-side and how to use all of these. Also how to replace the filter, which is important for clean water and ice on a regular basis, and then how to reset the filter notification, which isn't very clear in the Whirlpool instructions. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tips like this one. I'll see you in the next video.